Hello friends, today I am bringing you this beautiful camera. It is this camera is brought to you by Fujifilm. This is a Fujifilm instant camera. This is Instax Mini 70 instant camera. It has a high key mode. You can capture selfie with it. It comes with a lithium battery. It has programmed electronic shutter, release tripod socket. It comes with a tripod socket as well. This is a very beautiful looking camera brought to you by Fujifilm. It has built-in flash. It has a flash range 0.3 to 2.7 meter, and it has a aperture range 12.7 feet. It comes with a retractable lens. It has a shooting modes, many types of shooting modes, like you can shoot selfie, landscape, micro, macro, any type of picture you can shoot with this camera. It has weight 281 grams without battery. It has a LCD display. So this is a very beautiful looking camera. So this the lens is come out during the shooting. If you when you are going to shoot, and this is and then the lens, this lens is, and this lens is retractable lens. So it comes with LCD display. This camera weight 281 grams without battery, and it has a lithium battery. It comes with a lithium battery. So this beautiful looking blue camera brought to you by Fujifilm. This is Fujifilm instant camera. It has a 1 year warranty, and any technical fault includes in this, any manufacturing default or technical fault include in this 1 year warranty. So it cost 7,999. So you can pay by EMI that starts from 388 rupees. It is comes with free delivery from Flipkart. It has a 10 days replacement guarantee. So if you buy this from Flipkart, you will get replacement guarantee for 10 days. So this is a Fujifilm instant camera. So if you want to know more information, so please click on the link below. Thanks for listening.